The Seiko Presage line is undoubtedly one of the most popular and prolific range of dress watches in the market right now. I can't think of another brand that offers the range and quality at the sub $1,000 price point other than Seiko. Here in my hands is the Seiko Presage SSA393J Cocktail Time, a 41.7mm stainless steel case dress watch on a brown leather strap. Right off the bat, this watch is marvelous. With a nice big dial, there's room for a large power reserve that gets its own little hand, sort of like a GMT hand. Included at 6 o'clock is a sizable date subdial, and at 12 o'clock are the 3 logos. Underneath these features lays a subtle but very classy dial pattern. It's difficult to pick up on camera because of the sapphire glass element, but this dial takes on a very dark plum shade, depending on the angle of viewing. This color actually gets darker the farther out from the center it goes. This gives great contrast to the hands and indices, which in classic Presage fashion are tack sharp and love to reflect light. Adding a touch of color in the gold accents are the second hand, the date subdial hand, and the tip of the power reserve hand. Surrounding the dial between the indices are these small markings which work to add a great touch of classiness to the entire piece. The included leather strap takes on this crocodile texture and includes a quick release system. Flipping the watch over, we see the exhibition caseback, where we can take a look at the 4R57 movement, which houses a 41-hour power reserve. You have to love exhibition casebacks. They make you appreciate the mechanics and craftsmanship that goes into making automatic watches, which is really important to a lot of watch lovers out there. As I've mentioned, this watch is 41.7mm in diameter, and its thickness measures in at a decent 14.4mm thanks to the protruding glass element. You probably won't want to wear tight sleeves with this watch because it is quite thick. However, this is a quintessential dress watch, so you'd want to wear this to any sort of formal event. Trust me, you will feel $1,000,000 wearing this piece. Overall, the Seiko Presage line is some of the best value for money out there. The range is extensive, with models differing in color, strap type, and some even coming in different dimensions and styles. To shop this watch and the Seiko Presage range, click the links in the description to head on over to watchdepot.com.au. If you like this watch, give this video a like. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.